So to do this cloth peeling or this particular cloth transition now, how you remove the cloth from your body or you peel the cloth from your body, you put your phone on a tripod. What I mean is put your phone on a steady place. The recording should happen in the same place. You're not going to, the camera is not going to be shaking. Nobody should be holding the camera for you. Place it on some place. If you have a tripod, if you don't have a tripod, you place it something at the back. Maybe the camera should just be there after you have gotten the angle that you want to shoot from. After that, then you take this kind of videos. This is me putting on an orange top. I do this kind of gesture. You see what I did? I did as if I want to remove the cloth, hold my chest, peel out the cloth. What the gesture again? I did this, pull out the cloth. So after doing this, what you have to do is to remove this cloth now. You're going to remove the cloth, just like I did, and put on the one that you want to reveal after you remove this first one. I was putting on orange, now I put on a white one. After that, you take this particular orange, when you have removed it, now place it in front of you. Now pretend as if you did the same thing. You see, touch the cloth and pull it out now. You see? Then I did the same thing with the white one, peeled out the left side. After that, I will remove this white cloth. Put on a red jersey. This is a red Manchester United jersey. Then I put this Real Madrid jersey in front, and I also did the gesture. I removed it. Then after that, I still did the same thing with this Man U jersey. Remove the red one. And I went to bring in another cloth. This time again, this is a Manchester United white jersey. And I pretend as if I did this. So I'm going to do only 3. But this is how to do it in the subsequent ones. So after doing these videos now, just like I have done, you now start editing. So you click on the edit. You know, when you click on it like you want to edit it, it will be covered with white. So what you have to do is to look at exactly that particular angle when you touch your chest. This is when I touched my chest. This is where you'll be splitting. You split. This is split. You split. Then you go down again to the place where you also did the same gesture while you have removed the cloth. Just immediately the cloth is about to pull out from your body. That is when you are going to also split. When you split, you remove what is in between them, because you don't need it. You delete. You delete what is in between. So you have this kind of transition now. From putting on this red one, you touch your chest, you remove it. You see how it is? It is very seamless. Touch your chest. It's as if you pulled it out. You are weight bearing, but now you removed it. So when someone sees it, it's as if, look at how you remove this cloth. You remove it. So you see the same gesture, this white one, when you touch your chest, immediately you touch your chest and you're about to pull it out, you also split there. You click on it and you click, immediately you touch your chest. And this is where you click on it and you come to split. You split. Then you go down to where you also change to another cloth. Did the same thing. This is when you remove this cloth. Immediately your hand was about to leave your chest. This is where you are going to split also. So when you split here, you also remove what is left. You also remove what is in between two of them, so that this one will come close. So you have this kind of transition to the white one. You touch it and you remove it. You touch it and you remove it. You see? So I did the same thing with this red one. Touch my chest. When immediately your hand touched your chest, like you want to pull it out, this is where you are going to also split. Then look at when you also change to another cloth. As you're about to remove it, that is when where you'll be splitting. I also split here and remove what is in between. Delete this thing that is in between. So you have this type of transition too. Touch your chest and it will be off. So let's view this thing from the beginning. Now you see, you're putting on this red one, you remove this one. You remove this one. You remove this one. So these are how to do this cross transition. Then you can now bring in music. Maybe you want to blend it. Okay, you know how to bring in music. You click on audio. Click on sounds. I want to be bringing the music I have already put in here through my memory card. So I click on this memory card sign. I search for the music, all the ones I've extracted. No, it's not this one. So this is the one I want. Then you click on this plus icon to add it. So the music has been added. I want to use this music to arrange my music now. So this is the music I put in. What you have to do is to arrange your video. You split. Immediately I remove the cloth, I split here. Also go to when I remove this one too, I also split here and I remove what is in between. So you arrange it and it will now be very, understand, you can arrange it to be very, very close to each other. This is how to edit. You edit, so it will just flow in. So this is exactly how to do this type of transition. You put on the cloth. After that, you remove the cloth, put in the one that you want to review when you remove it. So after that, you will have what you are looking for. So this is how to do this cloth peeling transition. Very easy.